coup, pas de temps.
Seek out the hopeless, confused and poor. Hold out your candle for to see. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your world. Frustrated. light his own candle, summer rain. See now your sister, she's been robbed and lied to, still holds a candle without a flame. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the lonely, the tired and worn, hold down your candle for all to see. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your world. We are a family whose hearts were blazing. So let's raise our candles and light up the sky. Pray to our Father in the name of Jesus. Make us as we come in darkest times. Carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the helpless, deceive and hold out your candle for all to see. Take your candle, go light your world. Carry your candle, run to the dark, get to the dark, seek out the hope of death. My new friend told, use them all out your candle, for all to see, all to see. Somebody else switch? Let's see. All right. A pleasant good evening to one and all. Welcome to Alexia Norberto Government Preschool closing ceremony under the theme A Sweet Ending to a New Beginning. At this time, I'm going to call on Amy Jeffries to come and give us the opening prayer. Amy Jeffries, let's give her a warm welcome. Amy, come baby, it's your turn. Come. Mommy and daddy wants to hear you, come. Not too tight. Not too babe. Amy. Boys and girls, give Amy a big round of applause to cheer her on. Come on, Amy. Come on, baby. Amy, you're going to Mimi's after this. Come. Amy girl. Let's do this. You can do this, mama. All right.
Please, Mom. Let's do this now, baby.
You don't want to look. You want to turn on it? So yeah.
So Terrin is coming to join you. You want Terrin to join you? You want Terrin to join you? Huh? You want Terrin to join you? Okay, just wait and then we'll have Terrin, you want to start? And then Amy after? Okay. Terrin is going to start and then she after. Let's start with Terrin.
All right then. Amy will be back in a few. At this time, I would like to call on Terrin Ramirez to come and give us the welcome address. Let's give Terrin a big round of applause, please. All right. Go ahead.
One, two, three.
Woo!
Good evening, one and all. It's my pleasure to stand here and welcome my dear parents, relatives, and friends to the Alexia Norberto Government Preschool closing ceremony. Today is a very special day for us.
You don't have to hold it here. You want to hold this one? Go ahead.
Good evening, one and all. It's my pleasure to stand here and welcome my dear parents, relatives, and friends to the Alexia Norberto Government Preschool closing ceremony. Today is a very special day for us, and we are excited to share interesting, educational, and fun-filled program just for you. So you can please sit back and relax to enjoy our show. Welcome.
All right. Thank you, Terrin, as she does that wonderful welcome to you all. At this time, I'm going to ask the graduates to sing us the welcome song. Welcome, welcome, you dear parents. Welcome, welcome, dear friends. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome all. Bless us, dear Lord. Guide us as we move on. Lead us as we say goodbye to AM and preschool. Lead us as we say goodbye to AM and preschool. Hear me down? Hear me down? All right. Thank you very much. Boys and girls, at this time you hold your hands as we lead with the Our Father in Garifuna. Yes, over there. What is that? Oh, that top there, I'm going to try to get it to stick, you know. Lead us to flies. You belong far away, lead us to flies. Makuche bungyo, lead us to flies. You belong far away, lead us to flies. You belong far away, lead us to flies. Lead us to flies. Okay. Thank you. Remain standing as we do the national anthem. Hands to your side. Can everyone please stand up as we do the national anthem, please? Land of the free by the Caribbean Sea, our manhood we pledge to the liberty. No tyrants shall linger, despot must flee is strong. Will heaven of democracy, the blood of Versailles which hollows the sun, brought freedom from slavery, oppression, but by the might of truth and the grace of God, no longer shall we be heirs of what arise, ye sons of the maidens cry, put on your armor, clear the land, drive back the tyrants, let despots flee. Land of the free, by the Caribbean Sea. Nature has blessed you with wealth untold, our mountains and valleys where prairies flow. Our fathers and women, valiant and bold of life, in theaters is heritage home. From proud Rio Honda to Old Star School, through coral eyes of Rabu Lagoon. Keep watch with the angels, the stars and moon, for freedom comes tomorrow's noon. Arise, ye sons of the pavement's land, put on your armor, clear the land, drive back the tyrant, let despots free. Land of the free, by the Thank you, everyone. Boys and girls, you could sit down now. Everybody sit down. All right. At this time, it will be a Bible scripture about David and Goliath. So I'm going to call on some of our babies to come forward as they will play this Bible story. So when I call your name, you come to the front, all right? Ziara Shahadat, Kamari Valentine, Josiah Obi, Wyatt Mariano, Kimani Dego, Elijah Reyes, and Keon Sabal. Step forward. All right. Soldiers over here. Soldiers. All right. Zara, you could talk in that mic, right? You could stand right there and use that. All right. Good. All right. Stay there. Just make 3 are there. 1, 2, and 3 go right there. So, all right. Right there, so be able. Yeah, he was asleep. All right. You go over there. All right. Come, Wyatt. All right. You stay right there, and then you just back a little bit. All right. Okay. You go back. You go back. You go back, babe. You go back right there. All right. You know, okay. All right. Then give it to her. All right. You guys ready? Okay. Go ahead.
A long time ago, there was a big giant named Goliath. He was so big and strong. Oh no, we are feared. Then came the little shepherd boy named David. He trusted God, so he threw the small rock with his sling. I'm not afraid, God help me. David trusted God, so he threw a small rock with his sling. David won because God helped him to be brave.
Boys and girls, please stand in a straight line.
God, and I be brave.
Hey, good job. You can bow. Thank you, boys and girls. Please give them another big round of applause. Thank you. All right. You can sit down. Thank you. All right. Everybody stand up as we do the song, God's Not Dead. Everybody stand. All right. Tyrone. Stop. God's not dead. He is alive. God's not dead. He is alive. God's not dead. He is alive. I feel it in my hands. Feel him in my feet.
feeling all over me. Let me hear your voice and girls. Let's go.
Louder.
He is alive.
Feel him in my feet. Feel him in my heart. Feel him all over me. Thank you so much. They sound beautiful, right, parents? All right. You all can sit down. At this time, I'm going to call so many of you to give us the witty sayings, right? So as I call on you, you step forward and you speak loudly to your audience, okay? Good. Orion, come forward. Amy, come Amy. Jaden, right here, Jaden. Over here. All right. Can I have Kamari to the front? John. Is she here? Anastasia. Wyatt. Renee. Keon. Zarina. Tyrone. Jenny Lee, sorry. Amira, Aliyah, and Jazzy. All right. By the count of 3, you bow. 1, 2, 3. All right. Go ahead, sir. Say it loud, right? And then
Which thing? The more you learn, the more you grow.
Good job.
Listen big, talk little, learn a lot. With us, with sweet.
Yay, good, Jared. Speak loudly. Let's go.
If you can share it, you can spare.
Alright, good, babe. Let's go, John.
As well, the shortest distance difference.
Alright, good, John. Keep quiet, babe.
But this make progress.
Very good. Alright. Follow, sir. Let's go, Renee.
Come on, is Juggle in the style.
Good, good, babe. Keon.
Be a helper, not a fighter.
Alright, good. Tyrone. Big. Alright, Tyrone. Give it to Genevieve.
Use your walking feet and your thinking brain.
Alright, Jimmy. Alright. Which one you have here?
For happy heart makes for happy day.
Alright.
Every day is a chance to learn something new. Get on student lead tomorrow.
Thank you, Mama. Anastasia? Say loud.
Think before.
Hi.
Think before you speak.
Think before you speak.
And speak with kindness.
Speak with kindness.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Let's cheer them on, please. All right. Thank you. All right, at this time I will call on Ariel and Majesty to come and do a poem called Me. Come to the front. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ariel. All right. Ready?
I am special, yes, it's true. There's no one else like me or you. I can learn and I can grow. Many things that I know. I can laugh and I can play. I learn new things each day. And they understand. Brothers, because I believe in me.
All right. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you, Ariel. Thank you, Majesty. Okay. Now we have our song called We Are the World. Ziara, step forward. Jazé, Elisa, and Terin. All right. Boys and girls to the back, you all need to stand up, please. Everybody stand up. Girls, go ahead and do your ball. All right. Good. You ready? Everybody else stand. Ariel, up there.
Oh, you're gonna pass it to her. Ciara, you go over here. Jazzy, you come second, right? Okay, you could stand there. You're gonna here, there. You're gonna be the last one. Okay? Get ready to go. Can I have your rock? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. Can go on. Like this?
Yes, please. Here. All right? Okay, let's do this.
Time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can walk, but till the day, my day, there's a one somewhere to make a change. We are all a part of God big family, and the truth and the love are we need. We are the world. We are children. We are mothers. Let's have people. There's a trust we say the earth and the light would be stronger and free. God
Thank you. All right. Thank you, girls. Thank you, boys and girls. You can now sit down. At this time, I will call on our principal, the captain of the ship, to give us a few words. Please welcome Teacher Fids to the mic.
Thank you. As we celebrate Father's Day and the passing out of our precious preschoolers, we would like to take a pause for a very special tribute to the fathers, grandfathers, uncles, and father figures who have played an important role in the lives of our children. As the song "Give Them Their Flowers While They're Still Alive" by Reckless Flores plays in the background, let us reflect on the importance of showing love, appreciation, and gratitude to those who have made a difference in our lives. Today, these flowers represent more than just a gift. They symbolize the love, support, guidance, sacrifices, and encouragement that you have given to your children throughout their young lives. Whether through your presence, your wisdom, your hard work, or your prayers, you have helped nurture and shape these little ones into the bright stars we celebrate today. Our children may be small, but their hearts are filled with love and appreciation for the special men who stand beside them. Through this simple gesture, they say, "Thank you for loving me, believing in me, and helping me grow." To all our fathers and father figures, we honor you, we celebrate you, and we thank you for the invaluable role you play in the lives of our children. At this time, we invite our fathers and father figures to come forward as your child presents you with a flower, a small token of love from a grateful heart. Happy Father's Day, and may God richly bless each of you.
Thank you very much, and there we go. We're going to have this second here in a minute. Ayo.